Folks, we're getting ready for fall. We're decorating. We're doing some little vignettes, and I'm doing this Bombay chest here in the living room. Come on over and decorate with us right here on my take on home and garden. Okay, so we're working on this Bombay chest, and I've made up this neat little vase with things that I've used around the living room. Acorns, some poppies, some sunflowers. We want to get that cream color element in there. There's sunflower with that. Just a couple of fall leaves. Here are some berries. Bittersweet. And we're gonna continue with that. I did this cute, Hobby Lobby had these acorns this year. They're so realistic. I just loved them. So I got a dish of them. I've saved a few for the fruit dish. And that's what we're gonna build here right now. Get a few leaves in the bottom. Push over that look. We got apples and tomatoes. Which I just love to see at this time of year. We got some cool looking gourds. Can't make it without them. Got a neat pumpkin. And another sunflower. Build up that fruit with some grapes and a bunch of tomatoes. This cool brass bin that we picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now I just have a filler piece from spring, but we're not gonna see that. And another. And we're just gonna let some of that come out of there. Okay, we want a bucket of pumpkins. And we're going to use up the rest of our sunflowers. Got some leaves and berries. Just kind of filling around. Fill that in. Really using up the last little bit of our little filler stuff that we have available. Loads of them orange poppies. And we need a wonderful, funny looking gourd here. And I guess I don't want to hide that big pumpkin in there. So get it worked out. So we need this element color. And then we're going to work on our base. We got a couple of tall pieces to start with here. Change in color. We have a feathery grass and a feathery fern. And then how can you have fall without these wonderful wheat ears? We're gonna put in some of them. I don't do that many floor faces for fall, but they are pretty. We'll use a bunch of these. I like groups of 2 or 3. So natural and feathery. Really special. Nature's special. We see it every day. Don't forget to get out there and look at her. And like I like to do, I like to get out there and look at her and tell her how special and beautiful that she really is. I think it helps. Okay, we're looking rustic and fall-like. Really loving these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna save back just a couple of them. And I think we have enough anyway. Go a little lighter here with this creamy rusty tone wisteria. You know how much I like using them because of the way they weep and act for you. I like, of course, each arrangement to be an individual, a character, if you will. If you think that way, you'll probably have better luck. Try not to go matchy-matchy. It just doesn't have to be that way. Okay. Liking it. I think I want to go with some white sunflowers this time in this piece. Center and tall. One more element. I'm going to mimic that cream color and get it in here low. See what that does. Oh boy. That's what I thought. Maybe one more. All right, folks. This tall vase is a floor vase, and it's part of this grouping for fall. Now I just want to get the last couple of touches on this whole grouping here with some big, wonderful, extra large pumpkins. It's really going to push that over. I think we've got it. All right. So folks, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully we've inspired you for the fall and the autumn of the year, the season, those smells in the air. Don't forget your special coffees, that spiced pumpkin and pumpkin bread. I might get that in yet. I'd do a doozy one, a dandy. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like our content. We care about all our subscribers. Take care, folks, and follow us on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next video.